Everything I thought for sure I was going to get it.
And bend the camera a little. I can rotate it whatever way you want me to.
Because I was out, up to here.
Here we're doing an inspection on pipeline 2, and right now we have our Robotic crawler in there with a laser inspection head on. So you can see over here on the left we got cameras. We can look forward in the pipe and also look at our laser line to make sure we know where we're at with the welds. We got all our telemetry while we're driving. We're watching that. 2, 3.
It just checks for any kind of internal pitting, like this stuff right here, and we're able to measure the wall thickness loss from the inside. The other module we have is a EMAT, and that scans for the wall thickness, so it can detect internal anomalies and external